Since the beginning of time, people have been fascinated to explore and seek out new adventure. Each new journey, a personal voyage of discovery. Guided by a pioneer with a trusted heritage. Someone like us, who has shaped the modern travel experience by understanding what customers want and inspiring their dreams. It's our timeless spirit of innovation that makes us stand out from the crowd. Our history has been long but not always glorious. We acquired new products and new brands, but failed to integrate them, creating a business of silos and a picture of confusion for our customers and ourselves. Our important promise of trust and the assurance built from nearly 200 years of experience was being lost. We needed to change. Come together as one team, breaking down silos, sharing best practice and learning from each other, working more effectively and efficiently, and putting people back at the heart of our business. It was time to remember what had made us great and take action. Time to address our financial challenges and implement a new strategy for profitable growth. Working as one team to transform our business and build a stronger, brighter future. Lavish with our customers and lean with ourselves. Once again, we're focused on what we do best, inspiring personal journeys and sunny, unforgettable experiences. Trusted by customers, partners, and shareholders alike. There for customers wherever, whenever, and however they want to book with us. High-tech and high-touch in all that we do. Reliable, approachable, accessible, easy to do business with. Able to warm the hearts of our customers. Whether they want their personal journey to make their heart beat faster, or maybe a little more slowly. And cared for by the people they trust, who share the same values.
People who are passionate to succeed as one team, who engage with each other, deliver for our customers and drive for results. People with integrity.
People who keep customers coming back again and again. People like us. We already share so much and can now unite under one symbol, the Sunny Heart. A heart that represents the warmth and passion our customers seek, and an enduring promise that has real meaning for every stakeholder. Let's go. Let's go and build an exciting future. Let's go and delight our customers in every act, every day. Let's go and reassure customers that we are there for every part of their journey as they search for the warmth of the sun and the thrill of beaches and cities. Let's go and deliver inspiring personal journeys as the trusted pioneer in global travel. The future looks sunny, so let's go! Make it happen!